Owning a firearm is a serious responsibility. It's about more than just having one. It's about being educated, aware, and prepared. At Defense Education Services, LLC, we're dedicated to providing professional firearm education for everyday people just like you. Our focus is on creating a calm, structured environment where you can learn without pressure. We believe true confidence comes from mastering the fundamentals, understanding the laws, and building safe, responsible habits. Our expert instructors will guide you with clear instruction and practical knowledge every step of the way. Whether you're a complete beginner or looking to refresh your skills, our training is supportive, professional, and always judgment-free. Education builds confidence. Responsibility builds safety. Train smart and own responsibly with Defense Education Services. Click the link to learn more and sign up for a class today.